Welcome to today's video. Today we're exploring a true classic from Turkish cuisine, saç kavurma. Saç kavurma is a delicious dish made with small pieces of meat cooked together with vegetables in a traditional Turkish pan called a saç. The word kavurma means frying or sautéing, and that's exactly how this dish is prepared. Let's start with the meat. Saç kavurma is usually made with lamb or beef cut into small cubes. The meat is cooked over high heat, allowing it to brown and develop a rich, deep flavor. Traditionally, the dish is cooked in a large, shallow metal pan called a saç, placed over an open fire. As the meat cooks, it releases its juices and becomes tender and flavorful. Next, vegetables are added. Onions, green peppers, and tomatoes are commonly used, adding sweetness, freshness, and color to the dish. Spices like salt, black pepper, and sometimes paprika are added to enhance the flavor. Everything is cooked together, allowing the ingredients to blend perfectly. The high heat ensures that the meat stays juicy, while the vegetables soften and absorb the rich flavors. Saç kavurma is often served hot, straight from the pan. It's typically enjoyed with fresh bread, rice, or a simple salad. In Turkey, this dish is often prepared outdoors and shared with family and friends, making it a true social experience. Simple ingredients, powerful flavors, and a traditional cooking method make saç kavurma a must-try dish. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about saç kavurma, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comments which Turkish dish we should explore next.